Why I don't recommend cough medicine for children. I get parents all the time asking for cough medicine for their child, and I get it. You want your child to feel better. But I tell them that cough medications are generally not recommended for children, especially those under the age of 6, because they can cause side effects such as rapid heart rate, drowsiness, and difficulty breathing. Research has shown that these over-the-counter drugs are not that effective in treating coughs in children and may even do more harm than good. Instead, natural remedies like honey have been found to be both safe and effective for kids over 1 year old. Studies show that honey can soothe the cough by coating the throat and reducing irritation. I usually recommend honey with warm liquids, such as herbal tea, and also to elevate the head when sleeping to help soothe the cough.